All right, good morning everybody. We've got a bee colony in this patio. There's like a vent that runs along the length here down below, and the bees capitalized on that to get into the roof cavity. So the fleur has put it right here. So we're gonna open that up. And, they just moved in yesterday, we believe. So this is a young little swarm. It is swarm season. The client saw them move in, the bee tornado in his backyard.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I was going to say to you.
I know, I missed that action.
Yeah, seriously.
Let's put it right down in here.
I'm just done. That's so cool. Second time we did that to you.
This one's doing a waggle dance. Look, right here. See her? Watch her wiggle her butt.
Oh yeah,
She's letting other bees know.
What does that mean?
They're communicating where resources are. Nectar or
Whoa.
pollen or whatever.
That's cool. Okay.
One of the buckets has water. It's pretty easy. Oh, there's the cleaning thing.
Yeah.
Found her.
Oh.
Check it out. She's right here under these bees. Watch her butt. See her?
Oh yeah, I saw her. Nice.
Try to
Yeah.
be as careful as you can.
Mm-hmm. That'd be upsetting. That's right.
Yeah, she's in there. She's fine. All right.
Nice.
So the bees aren't going to
Cool.
go far.
Good,
See, that's a decent rush into the box.
Bonsai?
You see this? I'll just try to belly her right up to the entrance. It's really easy. There she goes. Look. She is locked in. So I'm going to switch that.
So she can't get out now?
Yeah.
Nice. That is cool. Yeah, she walked right in, huh? Nice.
Okay, everybody. Well, I'm going to wrap up the video here. I left a gap so bees that come down and fly into the vent below. I'll show the vent below too, I guess. Okay, so this is the vent down here. I guess they wanted to ventilate this roof on the patio. It's a good idea, except for those holes are too big. And the bees decided it worked for them. We can just cruise on up and into the box. Tape the lid. I got the little entrance disc in clean excluder mode. It takes the bees a while to get in there when it's just a tiny little slot, but they'll get it. I probably have 70% of the bees in the box already just by shaking and vacuuming. So that's it. The end.